Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Yeah, this is Africa France Lady 1. Yeah, if this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that anytime I upload you will be the first to notify. Okay, I love to see you watching my video. Subscribe. Hello my beautiful people, if you want to know how I prepare this delicious vegetable, so follow me. Okay, so guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload you'll be the first to notify. So for my old subscriber, you are welcome. My new subscriber, you are welcome. I really appreciate every one of you that be watching my video, showing me love. Okay, so today is all about our vegetable. Okay, so as you can see, this is what I am using for this vegetable. Okay guys, so if you want to know how I prepare this, just stay throughout this video. Yeah, so this is my pepper, my potato, okay, my oil, and my Maggi, my salt, okay, and my groundnut oil. I'm using the groundnut oil to fry the meat and fish. Okay, so and that is my vegetable. As you can see, it's already freeze already, so I have to let it melt. I will keep it to melt before I started slicing it. I have to chop it again, you know. So that is it. So guys, and that is my meat, my garlic, my chicken, and that is it. Okay, so this is what I'm using for this vegetable. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, and always share my video, and I love you. So let's start preparing now. Okay, so this is my meat. Try to wash my meat. Okay, so just stay tuned. Let's wash it together. Finish washing it, so we have to put it on fire. This is my onions on it. Okay, let's add our Maggi. All right, and my salt. Okay, so I've already added the Maggi and salt, so let's stir it. Yeah, so at this point guys, I'm going to add pepper to it to boil the meat first. Yeah, that is what I normally do. So I just add a half spoon of pepper to it. So you have to add a little water, and now it's already done. Okay, our meat is well done guys. well done. So I have to change it and let's fry our fish. So this is my fry pan. Okay, so let's add oil on my fish. Oh my god. So I've already fried the fish. Let's remove it from the fry pan. So my meat. Yeah, so this is my meat, guys. Okay, so our meat is already done, so I have to remove it. Wet fried. Sorry if I said done. It's wet fried. And I know my major, my people. So I think now is the let's start. Now I have to wash the pepper and blend it. Yeah, this point I have to wash the pepper because I normally wash my pepper before I wash it properly. So this is it. This is the pepper and the tatashin and all. So my oil and I've already had the onions. I don't know, my voice is kind of I don't know, my voice is kind of crack. I don't really know why. So guys, sorry for that. So let's keep frying, okay? So now I'm going to add our pepper to it. Yeah, that is my pepper. Yeah, so at this point we just have to close it and come back and add a vegetable to it. So wow, so as you can see it's well done. Let's add our vegetable to it. Okay, let's keep doing it. Keep popping, guys. That's been long I ate vegetable, so I decided to prepare this vegetable today. Okay, so I just have to stir it. Wow, so I keep stirring it. Okay, so guys, at this point what I did, I divided it into two because the vegetable was too much and the meat, so I divided it into two. So at this point we are having 2 pots of soup. Okay, so that is it. So as you can see, I've already divided it, you see. So because the soup was too much and the meat and also divided it, so we have 2 pots of soup at this point now. Yeah, so let's add the meat and stir it. I just share it into two. I have to shift the other pot, guys. Hey, you know vegetable, you can use it for rice, for swallow, anyone you want. Okay, so for me I'm using rice. So this is my fried chicken and their fish. Okay, so let's add it. Yeah, you just have to stir it. Very small. Even as I see the divide and say, be like say the pot still full. This food, they not be small food, they really many. So guys, that is it. So what to do now? Oh God, I can't wait to eat. So yummy. Have you tried this vegetable? Have you? What are you waiting for? So I'm adding my Maggi. I just add a little bit of Maggi on it because I've already used Maggi to boil it before. So we have to close it and we'll be right back, guys. Okay? Guys, see you. Let's look at this food. Wow, our food is ready. Finally, this food is ready. So, guys, if you know that you love this vlog that I did, please don't forget to like this video and share it, share her, and comment like. Okay, please guys, support me, and the way you support me, God will also support you guys. I really appreciate every one of you guys. Look at my vegetable. I can't wait to eat. I'm using rice, so guys, yeah, I keep telling you guys I'm using rice. Don't mind me. Wow. So guys, this is the end of this video. Okay, yeah, so delicious and yummy. If you have not tried, please give it a try. Okay, love you. Thanks for watching. Okay, so wow guys, wow. Love you guys. Bye. Love you everyone. And guys, you see how this food look like I can't wait to eat. So this is my rice. I'm about to eat this food now. I don't feel wait again. So love you all. Bye bye.